in number 1, I have variable pieces, number pieces, and number pieces on the other side. We can think of this equal sign as an invisible boundary line, and we want to separate our variable pieces and our number pieces on opposite ends of that boundary line. So I need to move this number piece with the number pieces over here. So that way, I don't have any numbers mixed with my variable term. To do that, I have to flip the 4 over and move it to the other side. So over here, a -4 and a +4 make 0. So on the left side, the only thing that remains is 2/3 x. On the right side, I need to add 20 and 4 together, which gives me 24. Typically, when I have a number and a variable, like if it said 2x equals 24, I would split up the variable into how many variables there are. So I would break them up into 2 groups. Over here, I have a fraction. So I need to divide by 2/3. To divide by 2/3. In 6th grade, we learned that you can change division of fractions into multiplication by flipping that fraction over. So I am going to multiply by 3/2. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side to keep my equation balanced. 2 times 3 makes 6, and 2 times 3 makes 6. But 6/6 is just 1. So really, I have 1x. Over here, 24 times 3 is 72, and there is an invisible 1 underneath the 24, and 1 times 2 is 2. Well, I can simplify that because 2 goes into 72 36 times. So x has to be equal to 36. And we can check our work. If we put 36 into this equation, would we get it to equal 20? 2 times 36, or we can divide that 3 out, and that would leave me with 12 and 1. 2 times 12 is 24. Is 24 minus 4 20? Yes, it is. So we know that x equals 36 is the solution. It's the answer to this equation.